Hello, my name's Bev, and 4 years ago I took up playing the recorder again after a 50-year gap. Hello everyone. Yesterday I had a bash at the Adagio from the Sonata in G minor by Bach for recorder and basso continuo. Well, it's also for flute. I think they obviously play it in a slightly different key. And I've played the Andante before, but I was listening to it on YouTube, played properly. There's lots of really good renditions on YouTube, and mine will not be one of them. But I was listening to it, I thought, I haven't played that for a while, so I think I might have a go at that. It's nice and slow, it's very rich. There's a really nice introduction that just goes dun, 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 dun. Oh, well, something like that. I'm not a good singer. And then the recorder comes in with a really long note. So this is the first time that I've played it for, well, since the long gap I had of about 8 to 9 months when I didn't play the recorder at all. And today I'm playing the other Mollenhauer Denner edition, Alto treble recorder, and this is the one in Grenadilla. So here goes. Bear in mind we've got a 6-bar introduction, which obviously isn't going to happen in my rendition. one wrong note there in that the penultimate bar, but not bad. And I enjoy playing this. What I need to do is I've kind of got the breathing okay. I just need to put a bit more emotion into it. Though the purists might say that maybe Baroque music doesn't need too much emotion. Apart from Marin Marais, who is one of the first composers to introduce a bit of emotion into his compositions, but that is another story. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you later.